When trying to predict what's going to happen, it's often helpful to make a sandbox world in CodeHS. To make a sandbox world, which I'd like you all to do right now, follow along with me, is go to the top left and click on Sandbox. Then you're going to click on Create Program, and then the type of program we're going to make is Python Turtle. We click Create Program, and we get a empty world where there's no challenge, but we can write whatever we want in this. Now, in this, I can delete that, and now I'm free to write whatever I would like. And one thing that I'd like you guys to practice before you move on to resume where you were at is using the pen up and pen down commands. And you can also use the set position commands, which will allow Tracy to go to a particular spot. So I want you guys to use the sandbox worlds to try and see if you can draw a shape as motivation. And as an example, I have Tracy over here using set position a bunch of times to make this four-sided shape. And then she celebrates by going to the middle and dances and changes color. So feel free to play around in a sandbox for a little bit and use this program whenever you need to try and figure something out. It's very helpful, and that's really all I wanted to go over in this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace!